Next theorem, if T belongs to A of V has all its eigenvalues in F, then there is a basis of V in which the matrix of T is triangular. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ and has all its eigenvalues in F. Then we have to show that there is a matrix of T which is in the triangular form. ಅಂದರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. That is, let T be a linear transformation on V over F. The matrix of T in the basis V1, V2, so on up to Vn is called triangular if T V1 is equal to A11 V1, T V2 is equal to A21 V1 plus A22 V2, so on up to T Vn is equal to AN1 V1 plus AN2 V2 plus so on up to plus ANN Vn. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ A11 0 0 so on up to 0, A21 A22 0 so on up to 0, so on up to AN1 AN2 so on up to ANN. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಟಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ we prove this theorem by induction on dimension of V. If dimension of V is equal to 1, then dimension of A of V is equal to 1. So every element of A of V is a scalar and the theorem is true. So let us assume that this theorem is true for all the vector space of dimension n-1. ಅಂದರೆ n-1 ಇರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸಿಗೂ ಈ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಈಗ ನಾವೇನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಎನ್ನಿಗೆ ಈ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So let V be a vector space of dimension n over F. Given T belongs to A of V. So in our hypothesis they given T belongs to A of V has all its eigenvalues in F. So let lambda 1 which belongs to F be an eigenvalue of T. Then by the definition of eigenvalue there exists a non-zero vector V1 which belongs to V such that T of V1 is equals to lambda 1 V1. That is by the definition of eigenvalue. Now let us consider a subspace W which is spanned by V1. That is W is equal to set of all A V1 with such that A belongs to F. That is W is the set of all A V1 such that A belongs to F. So therefore dimension of W is equals to 1. Now let us consider an element in W. That is X is equal to A V1. ಸೊ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು A V1. ನಾವು ಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಟಿ ಆಫ್ A V1 ವಿಚ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ ಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ A ಇಂಟು ಟಿ ಆಫ್ V1. ನಾವು ಟಿ ಆಫ್ V1 means lambda 1 V1, substitute the value that is lambda 1 V1. So therefore here A lambda 1 which belongs to F. So therefore by the definition of W we can say that this T of X belongs to W. So therefore we proved here X belongs to W which implies T of X belongs to W. Then by the definition of invariant we can conclude that W is invariant under T. It is invariant under T. So that is clearly W is invariant under T. Now put V dash is equal to V by W. Then dimension of V dash is equals to dimension of V by W which is equal to dimension of V minus dimension of W. Here we consider the dimension of V is n and we get the dimension of W is equal to 1. So therefore we get dimension of V dash is equals to n minus 1. Now we know that a theorem that is if W is a subspace of V which is invariant under T, then T induces a linear transformation T bar on a quotient space V by W defined by T bar of V plus W is equal to T of V plus W if P1 of X is a minimal polynomial of T bar over F, and if P of X is that for T, then P1 of X divides P of X. Now using this above theorem we can say that T is induces a linear transformation T dash on V by W, that is V dash. Here we get T is a linear transformation induces T dash on V dash, that is V by W, whose the minimal polynomial P1 of X divides the minimum polynomial P of X of T. So this is by the above statement. Now, hence every root of p1 of x is a root of p of x. Since t has all its eigenvalues in f, it follows that t dash is also has all its eigenvalues in f. So therefore, here we get t dash is a linear transformation and has all its eigenvalues in f. So therefore, t dash satisfies the hypothesis of the given theorem. Since the dimension of v dash is equals to n minus 1, then by our induction hypothesis, there is a basis v2 dash, v3 dash, so on up to vn dash of v dash, means v by w, in which the matrix of t dash is triangular. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸಿಗೆ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಈಸ್ triangular. By the definition of triangular, that is t dash v2 dash is equals to a22 v2 dash, a dash v3 dash is equals to a32 v2 dash plus v33 v3 dash plus so on up to t dash vn dash is equals to an2 v2 dash plus an3 v3 dash plus so on up to ann vn dash. So call this as equation star. Since v2 dash, v3 dash, so on up to vn dash are the elements of v dash, that is v by w, then this is in the form of, that is v2 dash is equals to v2 plus w, v3 dash is equals to v3 plus w, so on, where v2, v3, so on up to vn, which belongs to the vector space v. Now then v1, v2, so on up to vn forms the basis of v. From star we get t dash v2 dash minus a22 v2 dash is equal to 0. Now substitute the value of v2 dash, that is t dash of v2 plus w minus a22 v2 plus w is equal to 0, which implies t of v2 minus a22 v2 plus w is equal to 0, which implies t of v2 minus a22 v2 belongs to w. So we know that w is the set of all a v1 such that a belongs to f. So here this term is belongs to w, so therefore the term is equals to a21 v1. So which implies t of v2 is equals to a21 v1 plus a22 v2. Similarly, for t dash of vn dash is equals to an2 v2 dash plus an3 v3 dash plus so on up to ann vn dash. So we get t of vn is equals to an1 v1 plus an2 v2 plus so on up to ann vn. Thus including t of v1 is equals to lambda 1 v1, we obtain t of v1 is equals to lambda 1 v1, t of v2 is equals to a21 v1 plus a22 v2, t of v3 is equals to a31 v1 plus a32 v2 plus a33 v3, so on up to t of vn is equals to an1 v1 plus a into v2 plus so on up to ann vn. By the definition of matrix of linear transformation, this can be written as, that is matrix of t as lambda 1 0 0 so on up to 0, a21 a22 0 so on up to 0, a31 a32 a33 so on up to 0 plus so on an1 an2 so on up to ann, so which is triangular, and hence the proof.